Dan Alinange, the UNRA corporate communications manager, says that out of the 4,000 affected families, over 1,000 have been compensated. Uganda National Roads Authority has implored the people whose property is affected to be calm, since no demolitions will be executed before compensation.
There are a lot of open areas. We are not going to break anybody's house if we've compensated them. What we are asking people to allow us is to work in the open areas. There is a lot of open land along the road where the contractor can start working even before people are compensated.
Government, through UNRA, has earmarked over 25 billion Uganda shillings to compensate the affected families on the 135-kilometer Mpigi-Kanoni-Sembabule road. President Yoweri Museveni last year commissioned the tarmacking of Mpigi-Kanoni by Enago Construction Company and Kanoni-Sembabule Villa Maria by China Railway Construction. Dan Alinange urged communities living along the roads to cooperate with the contractors to enable them complete the work on schedule.
Our appeal to the local leaders, RDCs in those areas of Mpigi, Gomba, Sembabule, to talk to the local people to know that the government will be able to compensate them instead of the contractor parking machines waiting for us to compensate everybody, to allow the contractor to start the works.
The country has embarked on vibrant infrastructure to attract investment so as to spur economic development. Michael Jordan Lukomwa and Salongo Kasbante, UBC News.